Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ask the artificial intelligence on Lovable AI to create an online blog for you based on your prompt. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your workspace on Lovable AI, access or navigate to one of your projects or folders and click into create new project here. After that, let me skip that and show you how it would look like, guys. After that, for example, you will be redirected to that communication panel with the artificial intelligence where you can simply enter your prompt like that when you, for example, and there's a typo, excuse me. And after that, you will see the thinking or thought process of the artificial intelligence, and it will start creating the online blog or app or website based on your prompt and the information you provided within the given prompt. It may take a moment, of course, depending on the complexity of the website, and after that you will see some further details below, and you can always interact with the artificial intelligence by asking follow-up questions or to make edits, changes. You will see the communication panel here, and that's it. So for example, an online blog, simple online blog like that, about or for dog lovers, top dog breeds, for example, might look like this based on a very simple prompt like this, guys. So that's in short how you communicate with the artificial intelligence in Lovable AI and ask it to create online blogs for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.